Cold, cold world. Yeah. Let me take y'all back, man.
Hey y'all, I'm Dominique and welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed my last video. It was a pretty natural everyday makeup look that I'm pretty sure a lot of people will enjoy. You know, you guys gotta remember, less is more, you know? So anyways, today's look will be using the brand new Morphe palette, Big Ball. I'm sorry, that was wrong. Boss Mood. And I will be doing a little bit of a look and also a review on this at the same time. This is the palette. There's a lot of pretty colors in the green. There's a lot of greens in this actually. Like a lot of greens, a lot of glitz, and a lot of mattes. I think it's more glitters than it is matte ones. But anyways, you guys, let me know what palette I will be using. I just will be using the one and only Boss Mood, and let's continue watching. Sometimes one crease always is higher than the other, and you know what? It's okay because it will look better. It will even out at the end. But I really do be hating that sometimes. One be higher than the other, one shape. But hello, it's still a crease. At this point, we're moving on. Let's go ahead and add the beautiful colors on top. Persona, and it is the very fuchsia glitter in the palette. Let me show you guys. So this is a 3-color cut crease, and this is the 3rd shade. And I'll be using it on the end. The first 2 colors, just to let you guys know, was the first one was Bright Eyes, and the second one was the Confidence, and this one is Color Persona. So I'm just gonna apply that darker pink on the end of the cut crease. also blending it in with the other shade in front of it. You do not want a demarcation line. It'll be so harsh. That is a no-no. Blend it in, make it look flawless. Now for the transition color that I had used, that transition color I used on ends, that color was Bright Eyes. And I'm going to take a little bit more of that and blend out the end of that crease. Just a little bit. Just add some more color. So this is Bright Eyes, and the all over lid color I used was Fire It Up. Let's get a couple of the shades down so you guys don't have to go all the way back to the video, or just click drop down the description box. Those were the colors. Okay, now I'm debating on adding a wing liner, but of course we're going to add some lashes, and we'll be right back. Burn my nose. I'm going to take a little bit on my finger and get the brow bone. Okay. Now, what's left to do? Let me brush this brow. Pick a little bit of highlight. Okay, now that your highlight is on and you're popping, you want to find a lip color. And also, I think I'm gonna add some type of color in the corner of my eye, and I'm thinking maybe, what color? Maybe this pink. Just a little bit. Any color you want to do works for you. You can do silver. I probably should have did gold. But yes. For that, and for a lip, I'm going to use some crayon case, of course. Now the lip line I'm going to use is Magenta. I'm going to line my lips a little bit with it. I'm not going to do too much because this lip liner is pigmented. And color it in a little bit. And then I'm going to take Private Party and go over it. And as for setting my face, NYX Urban Decay and All Nighter Spray. That's done already. And I should have might put a little bit of powder on my eye, but I'm just going to apply a little bit. Just a little. Slightly on the places where I do show a little a shine. And I believe this look is finished. Anything you would like to see or know about, it will be in the description box. But hopefully I didn't forget anything with this look. The brows is done, the eyes are done, the lips, highlight, everything. I don't have no earrings on, but hey, you know. Let's do it closer. And you guys, ooh, that's even better. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Oh, before I forget, my little review on the palette. The Boss Nude by Morphe. It's obvious that I like it. I have not yet used all the colors, but as far as pigmentation and the quality and the blending, Morphe did no wrong. So you guys, I really do hope you purchase it, and I'll be using it more to get more hands-on with it and a little more reviewed in a way. Anyways, see you all in my next video. Bye.